Are you playing with your new toys from Nanny and Grandfather? Yeah, the floor's a bit hard for a forward roll.
Monkeys love to play and sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Crash!
Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, and Z.
They're gonna be so excited that you like your new toys. Lila, don't forward roll on the floor. It's too hard. Oh, you're gonna move to the mat. Oh. Whoa! They're good rolls though. Today's October 23rd, 2012, and Lila is 2. Those gymnastics classes are really paying off. Should we do a quick video of Juliet too? She's over here in the background. Hi, Juliet. Are you swinging, baby? Hi. Okay, Lila, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.